Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful heart-shaped bouquet. To do this, you'll need a thick paper, 3 colored papers, a glue, and a scissor. First, cut the thick paper into a heart shape with the scissor. Then cut the yellow paper into a small piece, and make a cone with it. Now make 14 of them. After finishing the yellow paper, do the same with the pink paper as well. Now take the white paper and cut 5 small pieces from it. And then make a flower from it as shown in the video. After making all the items, it's time to stick them all on the thick heart-shaped paper we made earlier. Add the yellow and pink one after another. After the cones, add the flowers to the design with glue. Add the flowers and then make a hook with a thick paper and stick it on the top of the heart. And now, you are done. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to my channel. I am just getting started in making this types of videos. So till then, stay tuned.